दैट लगाना था, एंड टाइम वर्ड्स, चेंज ऑफ टाइम वर्ड्स। तो अब आप लोग बोलेंगे मैम हाउ टू चेंज द टेंस, प्लीज टेल अस। इसको टैकल करते हैं बेटा। सिंपल प्रेजेंट हैज टू बी चेंज्ड इनटू सिंपल पास्ट। आई विल शो यू एग्जांपल्स, डोंट वरी। ठीक है, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस हैज टू बी चेंज टू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। पहले मैं सारे प्रेजेंट वाले ले रही हूं। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, राइट। और सिंपल पास्ट को हम चेंज कर देते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट में। ये अलग भी स्टोरी लेके चलता है। तो इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए लेट अस लुक एट एग्जांपल्स आल्सो, देन वी विल टैकल फ्यूचर एज वेल एज मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज, राइट। लेट अस लुक एट एग्जांपल्स। मैंने बोला, मैंने आप लोगों को बताया दैट सिंपल प्रेजेंट चेंजेस टू सिंपल पास्ट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। मैम व्हाट, ये आपने क्या बोला, कुछ समझ नहीं आया। इसको एक समरी में लिखते हैं। ऑल ऑफ द प्रेजेंट बच्चों, ऑल द प्रेजेंट विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट, चाहे वो सिंपल हो, चाहे वो कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो, चाहे परफेक्ट हो और परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस हो, द इंटायर प्रेजेंट विल चेंज टू पास्ट। ठीक है, लेट अस लुक एट एग्जांपल्स नाउ। सबसे पहला एग्जांपल है सिंपल प्रेजेंट का, और मैं यहां पे लिख रही हूं कि वो पास्ट में हो। राम सेड आई एम हैप्पी नाउ, क्लियरली दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, राइट। इसको हमने चेंज कर दिया सिंपल पास्ट। राम सेड दैट, बच्चों 5 रूल्स, कोट गॉन, टेंस चेंज, ही वॉज, प्रोनाउन आई की जगह ही, थर्ड स्टेप। फोर्थ स्टेप दैट, फिफ्थ स्टेप नाउ की जगह देन। सो लेट मी मार्क द 5 स्टेप्स इन ग्रीन। नंबर 1, नंबर 2 टेंस चेंज, नंबर 3 प्रोनाउन चेंज, नंबर 4 दैट, नंबर 5 देन। वो 5 स्टेप्स मैम फॉलो कर रही है बच्चों, और टेंस भी चेंज हुआ है, दैट इज पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट। नाउ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, है ना। मैंने कहा था सारे का सारा प्रेजेंट का डिपार्टमेंट चेंजेस टू पास्ट। मोहन सेड आई एम स्टडिंग फॉर माई एग्जाम, क्लियरली दिस इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस, है ना। आई एम स्टडिंग कॉन्टिन्यूअस, आई हैव चेंज दिस इनटू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। 5 स्टेप्स बच्चों। रिमूव द कोट्स, 1, change the tense, am studying changes to was studying, 2, 3 pronoun, I change to he, 4 that लगा दिया, 5 there is no word related to uh, the time, तो बच गए। there is no word, if it would have been yesterday I would have written the day before। तो 4 हो गए इसमें बच्चा। आगे चलते हैं हम परफेक्ट पे। अभी तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा मैम क्या कर रही है। व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम चेंजिंग all the present into all the past. Sita said I have eaten my dinner. Clearly बच्चों perfect, present perfect, I've changed it into past perfect. Have eaten my dinner changes to had eaten. Remove the quotes, number 1. Change the tense बच्चों, number 2. Change the pronoun 3. Add that 4. Again इसमें word नहीं है बल्ले, right? Now we move on to perfect continuous. I wanted to show you examples of all. Kamala said, I have been working here for 3 years. Clearly this is present perfect continuous. इसको हमने past में कर दिया. Past में करेंगे तो past के words use हो जाएंगे. In the very first sentence was, in the second sentence was, in the third sentence had, in the fourth sentence had. So I have changed it into past perfect continuous. Right, बच्चों? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, again there is no word. Now all of the present changed to past, but the story of past is still left. इसका क्या करोगे मैम? Blue. All the simple past tense का क्या होगा? How will the past tense change? Let us do. Please remember this note also. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change. I'll write it down. So beta entire past tense को जरा करते हैं. Past changes to past perfect. But my note is still there. No change for past perfect as well as past perfect continuous. No change, guys. I'll write down the sentences and then you will know better. Ram said, I ate a cake. Bachcho, this is clearly simple past. And I changed it into past perfect. Had V3. Had V3. Can you see the third form? Can you see had? मैंने इसको past perfect में कर दिया. So my 4 steps I followed. I removed quotes, number 1. I changed the tense. Rule is past perfect में करना. I added pronoun, changed it, and then that. Again, there is no time distance word. Mohan said, I was writing a letter. I was writing. ये क्या है? Let me write down simple past here. ये क्या है? Past continuous. The entire past changes to past perfect. तो मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? Past perfect continuous. But अभी third और fourth बचा है of the past tense, which is no change. I'll show it to you. But यहाँ पे देखो बच्चों, Mohan said that he had been writing. मैंने इसको past perfect continuous में कर दिया. Quotes gone, tense change, pronoun change, that added no time distance word. Now, students, the last 2 forms. What about past perfect and past perfect continuous? Let us do an example. He said, I had taken my dinner. He said, चलो 5 steps करते हैं. I am removing the quotes. Done. I'll be changing the tense. इसमें कुछ होना ही नहीं है change. Wow. Work is reduced. This will remain the same. तो मैम क्या लिखेंगी? Had taken. Third step. He. Pronoun. Fourth step. That. ये मैं आपके सामने कर रही हूं. Right, बच्चों? All the 4 steps done. Fifth, I don't have any yesterday, tomorrow. I'll show it to you in the question. My dinner. His dinner, rather. His dinner, bachon. His dinner. So we have changed the pronouns. I think I should also write that in green for your convenience, so as to show you that I have changed the pronoun. Okay? No change. He said that he had taken his dinner. Only pronoun quotes that added. It is a rule. Similarly, he said that. Let me give you the sample sentence. I had been living peacefully. He said that he had been living peacefully. So, bacha, this will remain the same. No change here. Only he was written. बाकी सारा सेम है. Right, बच्चों? And he said that. So this is past. जिसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है लास्ट टू में. If I talk of future, बच्चों, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, you have to change will to would. He said, I will do it now. He said that he would do it then. मैं एक अलग स्लाइड पे आप लोगों के लिए लिख देती हूँ because I've been writing all the sentences. Then you guys are prepared for the questions. So he said, I will do it now. He said, following the 5 rules, बच्चों, remove the quotes, change the tense, will changes to would, change the pronoun, he, do, it, change, then, now becomes then. He would do it then. So finally हमारा 5th step भी हो गया. All the 5 done. Right, बच्चों? Remove the quotes, change the tense, change the pronoun. Ma'am just skipped that. Add that and then. So he said that he would do it then. मैं बोलती रह गई, I did not write it, but I've written it now. Right, बच्चों? And if the last point is to be considered, that is model auxiliaries, can, could, may, might. इसका एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस मैं आपको करा देती हूँ. कैन का भी कर लेते हैं. So they said, we can dance tomorrow. I thought I should include a word. 5 rules, guys. They said, I'm adding that right now. The 4th step, I've removed the quotes. They said that, they changed the pronoun, could change the tense, dance, and bachcho, the 5th rule, the next day. Now, those who are wondering, ma'am, how to change these words? I'll show you the slide, bachcho. Mandatory changes in indirect speech. A very nice slide. You can read it, absorb it. मैं दिखा भी दूंगी when you'll solve. This becomes that. These, those. Here, there. Now, then. Today, that day. This week, that week. Yesterday, the day before. Last week, the week before. Or the previous week. Tomorrow, the next day, which I just used. It is a very nice slide. You will have it in your notes after the webinar also, so don't worry. If you guys are taking screenshot, it's okay, like you can take. I'll wait for 20 seconds and then I'll start the questions. You can read this slide properly. Time-related words. Time-related word change. I'll also write down 5th step. We had 5 steps, right? This is the 5th step that you have to follow. ठीक है बच्चों? चलो, let's hit it with a quiz now. 5 steps should be done. Ria said, I saw a snake yesterday. 5 steps, guys. You have to change into indirect, remove the quotes, change the tense. This is, by the way, past tense. Past को किस में करेंगे? Past perfect. Remember, the entire past changes to past perfect. Present changes to past. Will changes to would, can, could, may, might. Then change the pronoun. Please add that. And last but not the least, time related word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start. Take your time. I'm giving you time. 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, let's see. Very good. Students have really bugged up in the speed, and yes, see it is. Said can also be written as told, बच्चों. That way आप बहुत smart निकले that yes, said can be written as told, but we have to follow the past tense changing to past perfect. That was the hint actually. और yesterday को आपने previous day कर दिया, that is the hint. That लगा दिया, no quotes, all the 5 steps have been done. So yes, said can also be written as that. Sometimes when said to is written, it also changes to that, told. Said can be written as told. Told that. ठीक है बच्चा? So said can be written as told. Said to can be written as told along with that. Last but not the least, last question for though. He said, I'm going to London today. He said, I'm going to London today. Bachcho, the 5 steps should be in your mind. Remove the quotes, guys. I'm going. Change the tense. Present changes to past. Ma'am gave you examples also. हमने करना है pronoun change. हमने लगाना है that. And the last step is time word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A reminder. ठीक है? Let's hit it. 3, 2, 1, now. Very good, बच्चों. Buck up. Come on. And last 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check. Yes, be absolutely correct, बच्चों. Absolutely correct. हमने क्या किया? Present को past में कर दिया, am को was में कर दिया, London और today हो गया that day. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसको तो चेंज करना ही करना है. दिस इज अ टाइम रिलेटेड वर्ड. हमने टेंस भी चेंज कर दिया, प्रोनाउन भी चेंज कर दिया, commas bhi hata diye, the double quotes, and we added that. So all the 5 steps have been taken care of, guys. Whenever we do direct to indirect, I told you, you have to follow the 5 steps, guys. Remove the quotes, change the tense, change the pronoun, add that, change the time related word. ठीक है, टेंस कैसे चेंज करना था, सारे का सारा प्रेजेंट को पास्ट में कर देना है, पास्ट हैज टू बी चेंज्ड इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट, फ्यूचर चेंजेस टू वुड, कैन टू कुड, मे टू माइट. ठीक है, फिर ये स्लाइड आप लोगों को मैंने दिखाई विच वॉज टाइम रिलेटेड वर्ड्स, दिस दैट दीज दोज. ज्यादातर कौन से यूज होते हैं, आई थिंक आई शुड मार्क अ स्टार. आई सीन दिस, I've seen yesterday, I've seen tomorrow. Yeah, now then, these 4 बच्चों are used a lot. If you want a shortcut, बस ये चारों जरूर याद रखने. You have to remember these, right? Let me show the leaderboard. मतलब guys are doing so awesome. Whoa, look at the points, look at the stars.